Before we move forward, I would love for you to take a moment to define and figure out what are the insurances that your practice is currently in the network with or not in the network with, and define how your office is contracted with this particular insurance company. They may have a direct contract or they may have a third-party contract. If you're not sure of how it goes as you go through the program and you're applying the different concepts that we are covering, I want you to take the initiative so that when you are reaching out to an insurance company and you're verifying a patient's benefit, ask the representative the question, can you tell us how we're contracted with your company? They're going to tell you, well, you are contracted directly with us, or you're following X, Y, and Z company's contract. And that's the fee schedule that you're going to use to be able to determine the patient's co-insurances, which is something that we're going to be covering later on. But these are kind of like how everything is going to make sense to you as you apply them.